Fishing reel spooling knot step by step. You're going to pull enough line out to go around the spool 3 times. So wrap your fishing line around the spool 3 times. 3. Make sure you have enough tag line to tie your fishing knot. After you wrap the fishing line around the spool, bring the main line and the tag line together, like this, and pinch here to hold them in place. Now you're going to form a loop beneath the main line, like this. Once again, you're going to get the tag line and form a loop beneath the main line, like that. And that's going to look like a number 6. Now you're going to make sure you pinch here to hold all the fishing line in place. Now you're going to wrap the tag line around these 2 lines 5 times. Now you're going to wet your fishing line. You're going to pull the tag line. Just snug it up at this point. Now you're going to pull your main line. Now you can cut your tag. Now instead of having just 1 fishing line around your spool, you have 2. And you tied it with the uni knot that will not fail.